Hi students, this is Mrs. Munoz and I want to explain to you how I would like you to handle whenever you have some special videos in your lessons. So besides your Odyssey work and even worksheets that I provide you in Canvas, sometimes I teach you lessons or I provide lessons from other teachers like Khan Academy and even other teachers that will post things on YouTube, and I find it helpful. So I share that with you through Canvas to see if that'll help you learn the concepts and master the skills that you need to reach standards. So what I would like to teach you here is some protocols for how you use those videos to help you learn the most, how to maximize your learning. So what I want you to do is to watch each video at least 3 times. Now the reason for this is the first time that you watch a video, you don't completely learn the skill. You are just being exposed to it for the first time. So you watch the video for the first time just to watch and see what it's actually talking about, if you have some background knowledge with it or not. Now the second time I want you to take notes. Now I highly suggest having a notebook for you to take notes in. I know this is my notebook that I use when I am in staff meetings or when I go to special teacher trainings, and I take notes in that notebook. And I can refer back to those notes when I'm lesson planning or when I am creating something for you guys that helps me remember what I've learned. The same thing for you. When you take notes, it helps you remember what you learned, not just because you can refer back to it, but because you have gone through the practice of actually writing it down. It's something that, as much as I love learning online, you don't learn something and you don't internalize it the same way if you type it out than if you write it down. So writing down those notes actually really helps you learn, and then keeping them, you can refer to them whenever you take quizzes. Now, the last time that you watch that video, that third time, I want you to check your notes to make sure that you've written them correctly, to make sure that you are understanding the concept and that you've worked out the problems that the teachers presented to you in the way that they have worked it out as well. And then you can use those notes when you're taking quizzes, but also just the practice of taking notes helps you learn. So I hope that you remember this protocol of watching the video 3 times. First time just watching, second time taking notes, and third time checking if your notes are correct. Have a great day.